Hello, I'm going to show you how to use filters on the memory tab of C++ Memory Validator. We're going to use filters to remove data from the display based on the type of a handle allocation. So first of all, we need to relaunch the example application. I'm going to do that by clicking the relaunch icon. The example application is relaunched. This application doesn't create any handles by default, not that we can use for this test anyway. So I'm going to create a few handles. Now, allocate a DC. We'll just dismiss that dialog. I'm going to get a DC. Open a file. Create a font. Create a pen. Create a brush. And close the application. Use the display to remove all the memory allocations from the list and refresh. Now we can just see the handles that are allocated by the program. So let's make it a bit. Let's remove the device context, for example. So right click, local filter, custom filter. Match using filter type. I'm going to choose a handle allocation. It knows to choose handle allocation because we selected a handle call stack entry. If we'd selected a memory call stack entry, that would have been pre-filled with memory allocation. No, so we've selected handle allocation. We're going to match using the type of handle, and again it knows it's a device context. So we're going to use that selection and click OK. And those two have been removed from the display. Now if I click filter, we can edit that filter. Let's make it a font. So now when I click OK, the two device contexts will come back on the screen and the font will not be on the screen. It will have been filtered out. So click OK. You can see we've got a font there. So if I click OK, the font will go away and the two device contexts will come back. And there we go. The two device contexts come back and the font has gone away. So now the font is filtered. As you can see, very easy to filter data based on the type of your handle allocation. Thank you very much.